Hi guys, Ernst from EDH Construction again. Just wanted to share a couple of tricks with you with this Rongpeng airless spray machine. One of the things is this machine has got a lot of sieves. One from the intake, it's got another little one right in there after the pump, and then it's got another one in the handle that looks like that. The one that goes in there is just a very tiny little thing like this. And now this is the one thing that I want to share with you guys. When you spray a very thick roof paint with a lot of latex or something like that in it, these don't last very long. Once it's gone in there, most of the thick particles or dirt particles or whatever you want to call it gets sieved out, and it gets stuck and stays behind in the can. Once it's gone up here, it's through the pump already, so it's not going to do any harm to your pump. From there, it's just into your hose. Now your hose is 10 mil thick. I don't think a paint particle is going to get stuck in there. From there, it goes into your handle, which looks like this. You just take that off. And that's in there. I have found that if you use a very thick paint and those particles get stuck in there, the pressure actually crumples this up into a small little ball, and I had endless problems with it. And a guy from that sells these machines locally told me to take them out, so I don't even use them anymore, nor do I use this one that goes in there. The paint has already gone through your pump and everything. It passes through with no problems, and you know, it's actually, most of it is latex that is actually required in your paint to give your paint that strong finish. So I take all those sieves out. I only use that one for the bigger particles that can harm the machine, and then I just spray that directly onto the roof like that, without that one and without the one in the handle, and you still get the same decent finish. No difference to the paint job, only a lot less frustration. The second thing that I wanted to share with you guys is, once you've cleaned the machine, there's always a little bit of dirty water, water that's got just the smallest amount of paint in it. In here, where your intake is, there's a little one-way valve that is made with a metal ball. I'll take it out so I can show you guys there. This is now, from there, the paint goes into the machine via this. And if you can have a look here, I need to get a close up there. There's a little metal ball in there. That little ball sometimes gets stuck, and the easy way to get that to move is just to take something like a screwdriver or so and just push it up in there at the bottom, and it actually dislodges the ball, and you can, yeah, it's loose there. If it's really stuck, you can take this out, clean it all up and put it back in again. But I found that just a little a screwdriver, just a light tap at the bottom, it just gets that, and the machine can suck up the paint, no problem.